Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to arrange databases into columns. So let's get started. To arrange databases into side-by-side columns in Notion, follow these steps. Start with the databases formatted as lists that you want to arrange into columns. Convert each of these databases into a page. You can do this by clicking on the three-dot menu of each database and selecting Turn into Page. Once you have converted the databases into pages, arrange these pages into side-by-side columns by dragging and dropping them into the desired options. After arranging the pages into columns, convert them back into inline databases. To do this, click on the three-dot menu of each page and select Turn into Inline. The databases will now remain in their respective columns, allowing you to view them side by side. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!